Look, turn the camera at Daddy's car. Show him. Maggie's video. Showing Daddy's car. Good job, sweetie. Follow Daddy. Who did the videoing? And Maggie was videoing. Say hey to all you fans. She said hey all of her fans. Alright guys, so anyway, we just got back from tech. You guys seen that. We are here at Smoky Mountain Speedway. You can sort of see the track over there in a distance. We came here once last year and once the year before, I believe. This is our third time here. First time this year. So we're looking forward to getting back in action here. They did do some track changes. They changed turns 3 and 4 and shortened it a little bit. So we'll see how all that is. Well, all right. Sorry about that. It went from a half mile to I think a 3/8 mile now. So it has changed a good bit since the last time we were here. We just got the top off of it. I didn't show that. We've been getting everything squared away, getting signed in and everything. We did get the roof off of it and got our little small piece of sheet metal there. Got to change a gear. We didn't do all this at the shop because of weather. We weren't 100% sure that we were going to be able to get it in or whatever, so we just waited till we got here. So we do got to make a gear change before we get started tonight, but we'll take you guys for along. It's freaking hot. Alright, so I'm going to take you through the pit, a little bit of who all is here.
30-something cars.
30 car couple cars. Sprint cars, mini late models, and topless. That's the only 3 classes they're running this time. Smoky Mountain Speedway. I cut it down a whole lot down there. It used to be really wide. It used to be just like this down here pretty much, and it is not anymore. So I've definitely changed it. Track prep looks pretty good so far, so hopefully we don't end up rough. I know it was rough Lucas Oil night, that first night. So like second night it was good. So we'll see how it all rolls out here just a little bit. Alright, so we're just riding down here just to get a better look at the track.
guys, so as you can see here, we got a little bit of new apparel to be wearing. If you're in the Lenore City, Knoxville area, and you're needing some tools, check out your local Cornwell tool dealer, Bill Irie. He dropped by and gave us this fancy digital tire gauge. Says inflator, but I was thinking of the pressure gauge, but I guess it could be called an inflator. Nice multimeter, pistol grip strippers, crimpers, and cutters. And these right here are pretty cool, I think. They're universal joints. So what he was showing me, say you need a 1/2 inch extension, you got a 1/2 inch extension. Now hold the camera here. What about a 1/2 inch swivel? Boom, 1/2 inch swivel. Regular extension. Thought that was pretty cool. So, like I said, if you guys are in this area, make sure you look up Mr. Bill Irie for all your Cornwell tool needs. Let him know we sent you.
All right, so Joel and Dustin are getting tires ready here. They done took the plastic off of them. Joel's checking air pressures. We're getting ready to roll here at Smoky Mountain Speedway. Brad is going to the driver's meeting, so we'll be ready to roll here in just a little bit. We just got pit mats on it. We're not even gonna pull the weather cover out just yet. I don't think it's gonna rain long enough, hopefully not, to need one of those. So I just ran, I'm out of breath. But they were out there rolling the track in, and it started raining hard enough where they lost the track. The guys were sliding, slipping and sliding everywhere. So here we are. We're back at the pits. All right, we're in a rain delay. So we thought we'd let Moo get her ride out for a second and ride it around. Fixing to put it up though, because it's been lightning in the distance. She's loving it. Ran her whole day. Magnolia, what are you doing?
Won't make it. I tried.
Try it now. Back it up and try it again. Cars on the track right now, but there is absolutely no way with the radar they're getting this in. So you can see how the flags are flying. It's all headed this way. The wind's blowing like crazy.
I think it's gonna storm.
Yeah, I think it's gonna storm. I don't think we're gonna get this in, and but they're trying. But definitely not looking favorable. We got the roof here, getting ready to put it back on. Just waiting for them to call it so we know what's going on, and possibly if we can get some money back, get some money back. If not, it is what it is. So we'll see. Let you guys know what's going on.
Hi guys, so you saw the exciting racing action that we got to do last night at Smoky Mountain Speedway. We are back here at the house now. We just pulled the trailer up right here last night when we got home. I guess we got home about 12 o'clock, and it had rained on us pretty much all the way home. So we're gonna unload the car right here right now. We didn't do any kind of hot laps or anything to get the car dirty, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna unload it here and take it down the driveway and clean the tires off to get some of the thick mud off the tires, so that way it's not making a mess in the shop. Okay, here we go. What's wrong?
Maggie, what did you think? You rode in Dada's race car?
Go to mommy.
Did you love it? Was that so much fun?
water there. I'm gonna scrub it.
Watch out, Max. Watch out, baby. Alright, so we got the car sprayed off. Just a quick wash. It, like I said, really wasn't dirty. It was less dusty and had a little bit of mud on the tires. Hang on a minute. That's good. The main thing was just a little bit of mud on the tires and a little bit of dust and mud that slung up on the car, so we sprayed that off real quick. Me and Maggie took it down the road to get the mud out of the tires and off the tires. Those are just hot lap tires, so it's not like I'm really concerned about them. I mean, I still want them to be clean and whatnot, but it's not like it's a do or die situation. So car's sitting here. We'll just have to decide what we want to do this coming up weekend. I don't know of anybody running late model anywhere other than Magnolia, and I don't know of anybody running limited this weekend right off the top of my head. I guess I'll just have to sit down and look. Our plan was to take this weekend off and get ready for next weekend Talladega Short Track when it's the Twin 25 Super Late Model race. But we'll just have to see how it goes. Hopefully, it would be really nice if they rescheduled that race from last night this coming weekend. But I haven't heard, I haven't seen any kind of details or nothing. And I know there was a lot of people from way out of town, further than what we was. So they may be trying to work the best they can with all those guys, and I completely understand that. But anyways, we missed the forecast last weekend. We missed the forecast last night. Obviously, it's no-brainer. We didn't go to school to be weather forecasters, so I mean, what do you do? But anyways, we got the car in here. We're gonna go find some lunch. We only ate breakfast today, so it's lunchtime, and then figure out what we're gonna do for dinner. And I'm gonna start editing this video and try to have it out today. Hope you guys enjoy it. Maybe we'll see you guys in the shop. If not, we'll definitely make a video and let you guys know what our plans are for this weekend and where we're going, or if we are going. Huge shout out to everyone who helps us out. Work Speed Performance Parts, KT Heat and Air, Fatdaddys crew out of Lafayette, Hammers Grading, Vinson Race Engine, Allsouth Signs and Graphix, Penske Shots, Capital Race Cars, Gorsuch Performance, Stop Tech Brakes, Brinn Transmission. All you guys here on YouTube, make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe, comment button, and we'll catch you guys next time.